girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. Pheelz here with us with the song called Stand By You. So a beautiful song. We will look at the three chords that's going on here, the G, A, and B minor. And we'll look at the string pattern, but also the finger picking, which is kind of the main thing here for this song. So let's start right away. No need for any cape on this one. And we will look at the chords to start with. So the first chord will be G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Next chord will be A. So that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. And the third and final chord will be B minor. So this is a bar chord. So place your bar here on the second fret. And you cover all strings here except from the last string here, the E. So 5 strings from bottom up, and then the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. So it goes from G to A to B through the entire song. Now let's dive into the finger picking here. So what you need for the G is actually just this 3rd fret on the E string. That's what you need for the finger picking style here. So we're gonna play this part. And that is basically 2 runs out of this pattern. So the start will be here, 3rd on E string, then open D, then open B, then you repeat that. 3rd on E, open D, open B, and then you start on the 3rd round here, 3rd E, and open D. So that all is one round, so to speak. So you almost fulfill 3 rounds of this. So 1, 2, stop on the D string there. That is 1 round. You play this for 2 whole rounds. So slowly it will be like this. That is 1 round. And there we have 2. Okay, we will move on here to the next thing here based upon the A. And what you really need to hold here is the 2nd fret D string and 2nd B. That's it pretty much. You can place a bar here if you want as well, it works. So you will start with this position here if you want. So that will be open A, then 2nd D and 2nd B. You'll repeat that again. So open A, 2nd D, 2nd B. And on the 3rd round, open A and 2nd D. And that is the full part there for the A. So you see it goes in the same, pretty much the same pattern, just a different bass notes. And of course different notes as well. But I mean the pattern for your right hand, which strings you're playing, it's pretty much the same. So again, open A, 2nd D, 2nd B. Open A, 2nd D, 2nd B, and open A, 2nd D. And then we have the final part left, that's the B minor. I suggest that you hold the chord as it is. That's the easiest scenario here. And you're gonna play then 2nd A, 4th D, 3rd B. Repeat that, 2nd A, 4th D, 3rd B, and 2nd A, 4th D. And that's it. So exact same pattern as the A, just different notes. So that's when it comes to the picking here. I'm gonna take you through 1 round slowly, and then I'm gonna speed up to a standard tempo in the 2nd round. So let's go. entire song, or you can choose to play the strumming pattern. So of course it will be based upon the same chords, the same amount of times you're going to do the strumming pattern. So 2 for G, 1 for A, and 1 for B minor. So let's grab that G chord, that's the first chord, and one strumming round will be down, down, up, clap, down. So that is one round. So down, down, up, clap, down. So with that, we're gonna play 2 Gs, 1 A, and 1 B minor. I'm gonna play that for a couple of rounds, so let's go. That's it, my friends. You have this finger picking style or the strumming. It's up to you what that will cover. Pheelz, Stand By You. So thank you for watching, and if you appreciate songs like these songs here, please feel free to subscribe if you haven't yet. Of course, what are you waiting for? Or just feel free to thumb up this tutorial if you want that. So thank you for watching, guys, and until next time, play tuned.